Hi, mamas. What are you doing? I know. You miss your dad. He's still in the ICU, which is my uncle. But, move. Muévete. Thank you. So anyways, the ST. This is my purge valve right here. And I bought this car used. And I bought it at 83,000 miles, and I learned the hard way that you have to replace this, and it actually even has a fucking recall for it. This might be one of the issues with my tuning on 91 specifically. I haven't tried E30 yet, but yeah, you can see right there where it's creased, and then you can see if it'll zoom, if the camera will zoom in. You probably hear it clicking. Right there, it's broken on the tab, so I went ahead and of course got a new one right here. Probably not gonna focus. Okay, and then I'm gonna install it right now and see how the car works. So I got that side off, all this shit. Now I just need to get that off over there. Just got it off. So this is the bad one, shitty ass one. It's caused me so many issues. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one on. Well, I'm already done. It's actually really fucking easy. That just went on there. Took that off just to give me some more room. It's all clipped in. I actually just have to plug that in, which is this right here. Goes in like so. And then put that back on. Put the intake back together, and then that should be it. So I'm out with the old and in with the new. Hopefully this fixes all my life problems. Fucking Ford.